Hey everybody, welcome back to Opa's Diecast Restoration. Before we get started, if you like this video, please hit me with a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. Today we're doing a couple of Tootsie Toy tankers for Charlie over at Big Charlie Model Garage. Not a long video, but he asked me if I'd spice these and repair these up a little bit. So being the king of the Tootsie toys, from what I've been told, I decided, yeah, let's go for it. Take the little burr off the end of the axle. Pull the axle, the tires out. A few of these tires were augered out with these vehicles that's been well played with over the years, and that rubber dry rotted, so we had to do some repairs. Into our favorite stripper we go. Glove, 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 glove. Try not to break it like you did that one time, dummy. Here we go, right out of the stripper, and a good wash and a good polish on the wire wheel. With the tester, comes with the paint, the primer, and the sealer all in one. Even still, I clear coated them with the automotive clear coat. Yeah, Charlie, you left it up to me what colors to go with. So, I did. Here we're putting some of the details on, like the chrome in the bumpers, because we all know Tootsie Toys, the beauty is in the details. Get these wheels or tires in and washed up so I can start repairing them. After I got them all cleaned and repaired, I went ahead and gave each one a little hit with the tire wash. And I set about cleaning the axles up. Getting them ready for the rust prevention treatment. Heat them up red hot, dip them in the oil, put the rust preventative black coating on the axle. Here's what we started with. Two Tootsie tankers. They look a lot alike, but each one has its subtle differences. here's what we ended up with. Charlie, I hope you like them. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. I got more to come, and I see people are watching. For now, this is Opaw saying goodbye. Goodbye, tankers. Tankers ahoy!